function of engineers as manager, consultant and entrepreneur is first planning. Planning is the primary management function that the one on which all others depend. Planning is the logical thinking through goals and making the decision as to what needs to be accomplished to reach the organization's objectives. As we know, every industry venture needs a solid plan that will evaluate the commercial viability of the business idea. Therefore, the engineers needs to use this process to plan for the bigger picture as a blueprint to foresee problems, decide on the actions to evade difficult issues, and to beat the competition. Organizing is the process of arranging resources to carry out the organization's plan. An organization needs to establish all its resources and production well before distributing the resources and delegate tasks to personnel to achieve the goals. Throughout the organizing phase, engineers and managers strive to create a conducive working environment to ensure the productivity are improving. Managers normally take workers' motivational and ability into account to match the workforces with roles and tasks that best fits their capabilities. Engineers should also be able to handle and manage any arises conflict situation by solving it in the most rational and logical ways. This way, the organization can have an efficient and productive working system that can give beneficial to the company's business.
Third point is directing. Managers should be calm and confident to give command to their team members for daily tasks as well as during stages of significant chance or challenge. This requires the engineer to project a strong sense of direction and leadership when setting goals and communicating new processes, products and services, or internal policy. The rational directing from the manager or engineer will ensure the working environment is friendly and be able to manifest a professionalism working style. Next is controlling. In management, controlling is defined as monitoring a company's progress on meeting its organizational goals and objectives, as well as making any necessary changes when the goals or objectives are not being attained. This requires engineers to be able to identify sources of deviation from effective capability and to provide a corrective course of action. However, controlling does not essentially engage in achieving only monetary goals and objectives. It can also correlate to non-tangible goals and objectives like meeting a production proportion or reducing customer complaints by a certain amount. Therefore, to ensure all functions are working towards the success of the company, managers should consistently observe and monitor employees' performance, quality of work, and the efficiency and reliability of finalized project. That's all for the functions of engineer as managers, consultant, or even entrepreneurs.
The importance of engineer as manager, consultant, and entrepreneur. First, marketing awareness to build meaningful difference. Second, building good partnerships with marketing understanding. Third, to consider and uphold ethical obligations in the performance of the profession. And lastly, to build a behavior and empathy in business.